Hi, I am Ruby. In this video, we will learn more details about LongeVit by Decode Age. What is LongeVit Supplement and how does it slow down aging? There are more than 9 chief reasons for why your body ages and causes damage. Decode Age brings a revolutionary blend designed to counter 6 hallmarks of aging, which includes damage to DNA, loss in protein formation, and restoring cellular energy machinery amongst others. LongeVit helps in promoting longevity, supporting cognition, boosting energy, and also helps in rejuvenated appearance. Add LongeVit to your everyday life to help you stay younger for longer. What are some benefits of LongeVit? LongeVit helps with boosting NAD+ levels and slowing down aging process. Your sleep cycle will improve, and it will also help in improving your overall stamina and energy. Long-term use of LongeVit can also help in improving heart health and cardiovascular endurance. It also helps with reducing UV-associated DNA damage. We have found that daily consumption of LongeVit increases energy levels throughout the day and improves cognitive function. Is LongeVit an anti-aging formulation? Anti-aging is a myth of the world which we are fighting by introducing healthy aging or longevity to you. Our products target the cellular reasons for aging and help you maintain your health and youth for a longer period of time. While anti-aging is often only related to skin, our products help you make your inner biology beautiful, which is the secret to external beauty and aging. Why this formulation and not single ingredients? LongeVit has been specially designed keeping synergies in mind. Certain compounds, when paired up, give a much larger effect than they would have done by themselves. It's like 1 + 1 = 3, that is what a synergy is. What are the important synergy in LongeVit? Certain compounds, when paired up, give a much larger effect than they would have done by themselves. Therefore, when taken together, they give a much better effect for our body. Like NAD with NMN. It together is positively associated with increasing muscle function, aerobic endurance, and various repair functions. NMN with CoQ10. It produces energy and reduces the formation of free radicals that can lead to oxidative damage. Curcumin with NAD. Curcumin coherence with NAD works towards helping in reducing epigenetic cluttering of DNA and also increases sirtuin production. NMN with Pterostilbene. NMN with Pterostilbene positively influences sirtuin expressions. These are genes that help longevity. It also helps in delaying skin aging. At what age should I start taking LongeVit? It is never too late to start taking LongeVit. You'll always have its benefits, and you will notice more of them the older you are, but you can also start from an early age if you want those benefits to accumulate over a long period of time. For most people, at least when they are in their teens, the earlier you can take it, the younger you will be for long. The more substantial benefits are going to be. If you wait longer in your life, it doesn't mean you are not going to experience benefits. In fact, you might see more profound benefits in the short term. What is the evidence of the purity of ingredients we use in Decode Age products? We source ingredients from top suppliers and we assure the top quality in the industry. A few ingredients are also certified by Intertek, the world's largest testing and certification body. It also has a high purity of 99% or more. Our ingredients used in LongeVit are also approved by FDA. A third step is the certification of high purity raw materials by inspection agencies. We also go through heavy metal testing, which allows us to verify there is no heavy metal in any ingredient and is safe to consume. What is the optimum time and dosage of consuming LongeVit? Optimum dosage for LongeVit is 1 a day. The best time to take LongeVit supplement is in the morning, after the first meal of the day, to achieve the highest efficiency, while older people can take it after lunch for the greatest effectiveness. How long do I need to consume this supplement? Dietary supplements are part of diets, hence, you can take the supplement as long as you feel it is giving you a positive effect on your body. Is LongeVit safe for diabetics or blood pressure? The supplement is safe to be taken with the mentioned conditions, as no drug interactions have been reported so far. Can it be used in improving skin or hair? LongeVit has NMN, which is derivative of vitamin B3 and a key precursor and intermediate in the synthesis of NAD+ within the human cells. It has been proven in studies that NMN and hyaluronic acid effectively slow down and reverse skin aging and other adverse effects of UV radiation on the skin. It is also found that graying hair is a reversible process. Certain proteins are implicated in the graying of hair, which are involved with mitochondrial and NAD+ function. Future research may show that the NAD+ precursor NMN can prevent or reverse graying hair. Are there any side effects, or is it safe to consume? No side effects have been reported for a long period of usage except a few like nausea, flushing, or headache for a temporary period. It is always recommended to seek the advice of a healthcare professional prior to taking any supplements. At Decode Age, we envision a world where individuals aspire to a centenarian life. Humankind is witnessing the age revolution, and the revolution is you. Visit decodeage.com for more information.